Sa Paleo Rivalry, isang hardcore Filipino Minecraft server, naggagala na ako sa server spawn until nakita ko na may malaking laban na nagaganap, so nakisali ako. What bro? Why are you all fighting, bro? Oop, you pop bro, takbo, hahabulin, takbo boy, takbo, sama mo pamilya mo, okay. Bro was too scared, bro, what the fuck? Base attack! You pop bro, oh, you still wanna fight me? Labang ka pa din? Tumakbo ka na. Puta, yo bro, you're so annoying bro. Okay, you're so lucky bro. But you're not! Yo, what's happening here? Bro, they fight like that, yeah. Bro, that's embarrassing. That's... Oh, takbo. Mace attack! Wow, bro, I clutched it. Run, motherfuckers, run. Run, motherfuckers, run.
Bro, lubayan mo ako.
Is that your voice, bro? That's so high. What the fuck? Ano to? I'm gonna massacre y'all.
Gagi si King.
Kilala mo ba ako? Ayawi ka sa akin. Massacre kayo, ano? Palag! Ano? Titingin ka pa. Ano palag nyo sa akin? Tawagin nyo na akong master. Daming loot. Bro, be honest with me. Why are you running?
Because you're gonna kill me. You kill everyone.
What? No, I didn't. I killed them because they're running from me. And you run, so you have to die. Mace attack! Can't outrun me, bro. You can't. You guys really think you can hide from me?
May gagi si King.
Ang Black Tiger nandyan na takbo.
Okay, I'll kill y'all.
No, please, no. Please, King, please.
Mercy, huh? What's that? A diamond player, bro. This is so many loot, bro. Fight me. Okay. That's embarrassing, but I will kill you. Okay, fuck. Fuck. What is happening in my maze? I have to learn how to light your maze, bro. I can't keep doing this. Okay. You chose that. Okay. I won. Remember my name. I'm the Black Tiger. But not far from the spawn, a group of players, Paleo Invisible Soldier, was looking for me. Is this the start of world government arc? I don't know, but one thing is clear. The Filipino unstable version has begun.